Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to renew LLC on Sunbiz. To renew the LLC on Sunbiz, you have to go to your browser and then you have to search for Sunbiz LLC Renewal or maybe anything related to it. And after that, you will get this first link which is by sunbiz.org. Simply open it up and you will get to this page. Now, before doing anything, you have to add your document number here to check if the renewal is required or not. So for that, you have to click onto this option division of corporation and press the control key. By doing that, another tab will open. By doing that, we will be able to get our document number. So once you get there, you will see the option for search research. Click onto it and then you will get to this page. Now you can see this first option name. Simply click onto it. As you click onto it, now you have to add your LLC name. Make sure you add the right one and then simply search for it. Then what you have to do is you just have to simply find yours and open it up. Once it gets open, at the top you will see the document number written up there. You just have to simply copy it. Once you have copied it, simply get back and paste it here, and after that click on submit. Now onto this page, you just have to simply check if it is your and everything written there is correct. Then you just have to simply go down of this page and after that you have to click onto this green option. Then it will ask you for your payment method. You have to provide it. It will deduct the renewal amount and after that it will get renewed. So that's how you will be able to renew your LLC on Sunbiz. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.